Witness the tranquility of the wild Amazon as a lone monkey peacefully savors its meal amidst the serene backdrop of cascading waterfalls. Journey into the heart of this ancient rainforest, where every moment is a testament to the harmony between nature and its inhabitants. Immerse yourself in the sights and sounds of this lush paradise, where vibrant foliage and clear streams create a haven for wildlife. Join us on this enchanting exploration of the Amazon's hidden treasures, where simplicity reveals the true essence of natural beauty.